Hey good people, it's CC Devereaux. You ever wanted to do a little bit something extra with your hair? Maybe you just don't want to do like me and head straight to the flip over look. You want to add a little bit more character. Maybe you have an outfit that you just want to do a little something, but you don't have a lot of time. Just share a few lock styles with you guys that you can wear running out the door to work, to school, to church, to the grocery store, on a date, maybe even like a casual date. You don't just want to wear your hair like this, you want a little something extra. I'm gonna give you a couple of ideas, guys. These are very super simple. And when I say simple, guys, I mean
super simple.
this isn't anything intricate. You should be able to complete these styles in between 5 to 10 minutes and head out the door and be really, really cute. So stay tuned, you guys. Alright, good people, that is the end of the video. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. Give it a try. Let me know if you do. I'd love to see it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, because your girl was serving up some looks. Until next time, good people, thank you so much for watching. Bye, good people.